Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera to all climate action advocates, the eco warriors, the youth climate leaders, the heroes and heroines of the planet Earth. First of all, a big thank you to the United Nations Development Programme, also called UNDP, and UNICEF for their commendable effort in organizing this program, the Youth Dialogue and on Climate Change. The Ministry of Environment and Water, also called CASA, is most delighted to play a part in this program, where the link-minded gather and converge to uncover, to discover, to share and to exchange knowledge and ideas in our stand to uphold environmental justice and to launch a movement against climate change, not only in Malaysia, but across the world. This year, theme for National Children's Day, Bumi Lestari, Kanak-Kanak Dilindungi, which is aligned with the theme for World Children's Day, Climate Change for Children by Children, is very apt indeed. Unlike a Swiss luxury watch slogan, we never actually own the planet Earth. We merely look after it for the next generation. Yes, indeed, we are, but temporary custodian of Earth, and heirlooms that we will be handed over to generation and generation of our young to come, and therefore must survive the test of time. For today's children, they will become the custodian to the next generation of their children. So what we decide and do today, what they decide and do tomorrow or not to do, will have a ripple effect on the climate and our far future. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, in its fifth assessment report, yes indeed, this panel exists as climate change does exist, documented a rise in its average global temperature by 0.85 Celsius from the year 1880 to the year 2012. Recent projection also shows that the planet is warmer by 1 degree compared to the pre-industrial times, changing our climate over time. Malaysia too has suffered its fair share of freak climate change impacts, the likes of unusual heavy rainfall and several droughts in recent years. As the atmosphere gets warmer, the heat is turned on. With most nations in Malaysia included pledging their global commitment to halt climate change with the adoption of the Paris Agreement in 2015 by reducing the greenhouse gas emission. Further to that, I'm also proud to note that Malaysia, in its aspiration to achieve United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, or SDG, by the year 2030, has pledged a sum of 20 million My SDG Trust Fund in the proposal of budget 2021. And in addition, it also boosts several initiatives promoting green investment and climate action. For example, 2 billion under the Green Technology Financing Scheme, or we call it GTFS 3.0, 20 million to strengthen the role of GLC and civil society to enhance SIPA, which is it is communication, education and public awareness. Save 2.0, boys and girls, please do encourage your daddy and your mommy to buy or install energy-saving electrical appliance so that they can enjoy 200 ringgit discount. In addition, CASA is also spreading the environmental sustainability roadmap in Malaysia. It lays out a clear target, an indicator to achieving a green and sustainable pathway from 2020 up to the 2030. And scientists around the world have warned that climate change will intensify, hitting harder and sooner than anticipated. Its impacts and adverse effects will befall our next generation unless we too intensify our effort to stop it. While the world continues to battle the COVID-19 pandemic, it should, however, not deter or slow down our collective effort to combat climate change. Rather, it should be seen as an opportunity to intensify our effort. In Malaysia, as we know that 46% of our population are ages between 15 and 40 years old. That is 13.3 million youth. And I absolutely believe that our youth can be a positive force to change and climate action in engage and empower effectively. Youth can be the agent of change the key heroes and heroines, conserving nature, embracing climate-friendly and sustainability lifestyle, and raising awareness via educational program. Climate activists, the like of Swedish Greta Thunberg and even our very own Malaysian youth are an inspiration, taking the world to task and doing their rightful part in saving this planet. CASA is also doing our part by implementing signature programs such as Rakan Alam Sekitar and Rakan Siswa, which encourage the public to care for the environment and to be eyes and ears of the government in combating the pollution. CASA is also recognized the importance of early learning towards preserving the environment, muting the school scholarly study program focused on creating awareness and instilling a green lifestyle in school children. This learning and culture is further bolstered with the Green Campus Tour, an initiative I'm proud to own where local universities collaborate to innovate, to invent and cultivate a low carbon and green lifestyle campus in their university. We deeply hope that this initiative will create conducive environment, encouraging long-term sustainability and green lifestyle culture among Malaysians. Indeed, climate action is collective and continuous effort, and it needs to be undertaken holistically with a national and global interest as its guiding beacon. Smart, strategic, and sustainable partnership needs to be forged between big government and non-governmental organizations with the youth at the driving seat, cultivating a new norms, not just a COVID-19, but also a climate change. The planet Earth belongs to us all. No one has more of a claim to it than another. While we all may have our own approach, please remember that no effort to protect and conserve the environment can be deemed too small or too insignificant. While the Justice League of Superheroes may say that you can't save the world alone, but together we can gather our many ripples of change and create a great wave of movement against climate change. On that note, I wish all of you a fruitful discussion and I look forward to the feedback from this event. I hope the dialogue session will yield yet another important milestone towards a better environment today and for the future generation. Stay safe and once again, Shabas to the organizers for this an important event. Thank you very much.